Hey guys, I welcome you all here to the new video at Cyberspace Plus. So this video is about a little discussion or just a story video where I'm going to tell you my experience here at Wealthsimple, how was the process of interview in a security role here at Wealthsimple was like, and what is the company's culture, how's the team, how is like work-life balance in Wealthsimple, and how is like people in general. So let's get started. So my journey here at Wealthsimple started with a LinkedIn in mail message to a security manager here at Wealthsimple, and while drafting the mail, I was a little funny to writing that, hey, am I late um, to drop this mail to you, because I saw a post few months ago that Wealthsimple was hiring, and they have been hiring and they're still hiring. That was a lot like a huge hiring that is happening at Wealthsimple. So I wasn't sure when I did write the mail, but and also like I wasn't expecting a reply back from that senior person, but like I did got a reply back very immediately by the end of the day that it would be great if we could schedule a call, and I was amazed to see that, and we did schedule a call, and then I went through my resume and my experience, and we did talk about the security posture at Wealthsimple and where I was working and what I've been contributing towards the current company where I was working and my potential and stuff. And then I was internally like kind of referred by him to the HR for the next level of interview. So I knew that I would get a technical interview for sure, because the security head, the manager at the security realm here at Wealthsimple, had internally referred me. So the turnaround, anyways, here at Wealthsimple is very very quick. If employee refer a candidate, the turnaround is very quick, that you would definitely get a call within a day or two. So yeah, I did get a call from HR, and then we went again through the different job matches that I could have, or like the profile fit, but like I was interested in something related where I could be like on the security front and also at the like development front. So I was like in that kind of phase when I was looking for jobs basically, and I've always been in that kind of phase that I want to put my coding knowledge to use as well, because I know how to code. So definitely I don't want to like just forget all about what I've learned and like just go with the new process. So it has always been a priority. So yeah, we went through like my on discussed different things and my experience basically, and what I have mentioned in resume and my skill set and stuff. And after that, again by the AOD, I got like a technical interview call scheduled, which I was very much sure about, because like I knew that I'm gonna get it. After that, it was like I guess 1 hour or a little more than 1 hour, 1.5 hours, something like that, was the first technical round that I had with two like senior members of the team from two different teams in security. So like security again has like like you'd be in EPSEC, you'd be in product, or like at the infrastructure or the endpoint and stuff like that, the different level of security. So I was interviewed by different two different teams in under security again. And after that, it was like we did discuss about my current work experience, and then we went more deep dive into it and how, and like discussed how, when, why about it. And like people try to know the basics to the max of the knowledge that you have, and it was the process was like that. We did talk about the latest happenings in security as well, and like you have to keep yourself up to date with the latest trends or like the latest attacks or incidents. So keep following podcasts and like blogs and stuff. So it's interesting to, if you know more, it's better. More the merrier, right? So yeah, so after that I got after like, I guess I had to wait for 2-3 days for my next call for the coding interview it was. And I uh, went into a coding round for which was like around 45 minutes again. And so the coding round is basically depends on the person who's trying to program with you, like program as in like program your interview with you. Like if I from my team is selected to interview someone, so it's up to me that what kind of code I would like him to code for me, right? So again, but like it is most likely suggested that we all should practice and keep on practicing on HackerRank and like Lead Code, and there are a lot of platforms where you could like keep yourself updated. And yeah, so I had few people that I know in Wealthsimple already, and I were in conversation, and according to their coding interview, I knew that it's going to be some sort of algorithmic question, and mostly it's going to be some sort of algorithmic question or data structures or something like that. So you have to know to write logic. If you know how to build the logic, like you just have to, according to the logic, you could also search for the syntax. So it's not like people will not allow you to search for syntax, so that's possible. But like if you know it, it's good because it would be quicker. So I did code it in a logic way. Like the logic I created, I tried to put it into use, but it was not very optimized. So I worked on optimizing it and like gave a new solution, like a different way of coding the same thing with use of more libraries in Python. So yeah, I gave like two sort of solution, and then he came up with a new different solution. So like there's always different ways to write or like code same thing. So yeah, it was a very interesting session with him, and I'm sure that he was having more questions if I would have completed that earlier. But like with those solutions and all those discussion, I guess like I was able to provide solution to one problem like in 45 minutes with different ways of doing that or solving that one problem. So basically that was that. And after I guess I had to wait around 1 week after my coding interview. I was kind of suspicious a little bit about, oh, is it going to happen? I was like, but I knew that it, like my interview process, even the coding was not like bad. It was fine. It was, if it was not great, because I'm sure that there were more questions which I was not able to attempt. So yeah, basically, but like I did got a call back, and then there was like a technical interview again, or like a generic discussion on the technical level with the team lead and like the manager, and like it was more seeing how good fit I would be for the company or the team. So yeah, that was around again 30 to 45 minutes again. So after that it was pretty much done. So it was like this was the whole process. After that, like I guess I had to wait like 2-3 days more to get my offer, and like there was like a proper salary negotiation on the offer negotiation. That is another video that we're going to talk about, but like in this video we're just covering the interview process and like the work culture, right? So we did go through back and forth with the offer, and then finally I signed it and then joined the company. And from the day I joined, or from the day I started interviewing, I've seen people are very welcoming. Like the interviewer was very welcoming. He was trying to make me more comfortable with the question, and it was okay if you don't know the answer, but creating an environment where interviewee is able to even attempt to give you answer according to his or her knowledge is a big thing. So I was given that environment, and I knew from the interview process itself that the company had amazing people. So the biggest asset to the company is people, and people are very open, amazing, supportive, and there is a proper work life balance here that you can maintain. There are times where, like, as a security professional, sometimes you have to work a little longer if there's an incident and stuff, but like the whole team is very cooperative. The team lead and the manager and everyone is there to hold your hand and push you more, like in the positive way. So I have been working with amazing, intelligent minds since then, and I'm learning a lot. And it is good to be around people who are so knowledgeable but so down to earth. So I guess that's the biggest thing about Wealthsimple, and I'm enjoying the work here. Um, so yeah, I hope that you guys found this video informative, and if you did, please like hit a like button and subscribe, and also uh, just drop a comment. uh, Tell how was your interview process at any company was like, in a funny way, or any like things that we should know more about. So it would be, yeah, it would be really great. Bye bye for now.